Hi there, welcome to On the Off Ramp. I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine, and we're navigating our way through the encore years, the time of life when careers slow down and retirement is on the horizon.
Our goal is to get off of life's freeway and take the time to explore the world around us, camping in our Sprinter van or just taking day trips and discovering new adventures. So join us as we share our journey into retirement.
Subscribe to our channel and follow us to see where life is taking us. And please take the time to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Let us learn from you.
So camping season has just barely started, but we're not quite ready to go yet. A few too many errands and other things to run. So what do we do to keep ourselves occupied? Many things happening around us right now. Of course, COVID is still hanging around and not behaving.
Well, and the other thing that's happening around us is that Wade and I can't get out to our usual hiking trails. We're seeing forest fires happening, and so camp or provincial parks are closed. So we get an opportunity then to explore what's available to us right close to where we live. And our criteria is to be able to be, in the woods, have trees around us, trying to get out of the urban flavor while we're still in the city.
Well, really, I think that's Lorraine's criteria.
Yeah, that's my criteria.
Mine is just to be outside.
Well, we're hearing the frogs in the river, and it's amazing.
Frogs on one side and cars on the other.
Yeah, true. We are still in an urban area, but we're trying to find places where we can feel like we've got the trees happening.
Yeah, we're outside and we're just spending time in the fresh air and enjoying spring, watching the greenery start coming out.
We're going to see if you can hear the frogs. It's amazing. This river is beautiful because it's so windy. There's so many bends. I'm just doing me.
Oh. This is selfie time, apparently.
Yeah. Reflections are so good too.
Mm-hmm. We'll have to check for wood ticks after this though.
Yeah. In spite of lots of people kind of coming and going, this area feels very secluded. Somebody behind us.
Yeah. More bikers. sit for a while. So some of the other parks that we can go to are, we're talking about the Seine River Forest. It's got beautiful walking paths, and you can walk for quite a few miles. Some on gravel paths like this, some on bark chips, some on some asphalt.
And just a shade out of the city is Liberia Park, which is our favorite.
Yeah, Liberia Park is a fun one for us. We go there often in the winter time as well too. Oh, another biker behind us.
Hey, where's your mama? You just want to be by me, don't you?
Little turkey.
Come on. Come on.
Are you comfy?
All right, let's see if we can just take off. Wow, I'm not your mama. Okay, I'm gonna go fast and see what she does.
Oh, I can't keep up with you.
I'm not exactly a Disney princess.
If you've enjoyed the video today, please hit like on there. We'd love it if you'd subscribe and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you guys do.
Absolutely.
Looking for ways to keep yourselves busy, looking for ways to enjoy the outdoors, especially now with spring and summer around the corner. As we are preparing this today, they're talking about possibly some more lockdowns happening in Manitoba, so we all have to help each other out and find ways to keep ourselves occupied. So anything that you can do to help would be great. And with all the changes that are happening,
yes, there's one thing we've learned, is we just hold our plans loosely.